Now we are discussing about economics. In that we are discussing about Marxist economics. We know very popular that Marxism and Marxist also. And Marxist economics, we are discussing about Marxist economics. What is Marxist economics theory? Marxian economics is a rejection of the classical view of economics developed by economists such as Adam Smith. Smith and his peers believed that the free market, an economic system powered by supply and demand with little or no government control, and an onus on maximizing profit, automatically benefits society. How does a Marxist economy work? Marx critique critique of political economy according to Marxist economists. According to this, to some, Marx employed a labor theory of value which holds that the value of a commodity is the socially necessary labor time invested in it. And the next topic is, what is Marxism in simple terms? To define Marxism in simple terms, it is a political and economic theory where a society has no classes. Every person within the society works for a common good, and class struggle is theoretically gone. What is the main idea of Marxism? Marxism is a critical perspective of how a capitalist economic system exploits workers while accumulating more capital for business owners. The Marxian economics and Marxist class conflict are the primary founding principles of Marxism, which analyze the class conflict theory and its basis. And the next point is, what is the example of Marxism? The definition of Marxism is the theory of Karl Marx, which says that society's classes are the cause of struggle and that society should have no classes. An example of Marxism is replacing private ownership with cooperative ownership. That is the thing. And the next point is, what are the three major theories of economics? Three major theories of economics are Keynesian economics, neoclassical economics, and Marxian economics. And next point is, how does Marxism differ from capitalism? Meaning and definition. Capitalism is an economic system whereby private individuals own and control means of production. On the other hand, Marxism is an economic, political, and social concept that critically checks the impact of capitalism on labor, productivity, and economic development. So, Marxism always think about the labor welfare. Capitalism always think about the private society and private entrepreneurship and private companies. And next point is, what are the disadvantages of Marxism? One of the downsides of Marxism is an attempt to abrogate religion. The reason it does this is because of the key features of Marxism is to have everyone be fully equal, and the religion would meddle in that aspect, as it automatically puts some people in superiority or inferiority of others within the religion. Then the next point is, what is Marxism versus communism? What is Marxism versus communism? It is also there. Communism is the realization of the stateless society where all are equal. On the other hand, Marxism is the framework by which such a state is developed. While Marxism is a political ideology based on Karl Marx ideas, communism can be called as a political system which is based on Marxist ideology. And then the next point is, what is the difference between socialism and Marxism? Marxists consider the material world as an integrated whole in which all things and phenomena are interconnected and interdependent, whereas socialists believe in equality and abolition of private enterprise. This is the information regarding Marxist economics. All these economic studies will give an idea about the society and how the political system should be there and communities how should be there. All these things, it will give a good thought to the people. That is the information we want to say lastly. Wishing you all the best.